Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with Advent boxes, and we are ready for day 16. And first we have the Best Friends Advent calendar for our dog. I don't think she'll eat that either. It is a bless you. Barquitos cheese, maybe. I think. It's supposed to be like a Cheez-It. Or like a Cheeto. You don't smell like a Cheeto. Here. Okay. Now Greg's doing his Batman. Oh yeah, he got a little patch. DC Comics. I want to put it on his work shirt. I wonder if it's iron-on though, or if I have to sew it. Surely it's iron-on. It looks like it is. We'll have to see. I could put it on the knee of your jeans. You do have a hole in your pocket. So, okay, so he got a patch. And then for the Spellbinders, number 16 is here. Oh, it's a hello die with the background, or like a border background. So a hello die, nice. Let me put it back in the package. I don't want to lose any of it. Then we have the Body Shop. I tried to condense some of these down, but it wouldn't work. Day 16 of the Body Shop is Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizer. Illuminate. Use this on your face or your hands? I think you use it on your face. Glow Boosting Moisturizer. I don't know. If you know, leave me a comment. It doesn't tell me. I'll have to look it up. Okay. And then we have 12 Days of Beauty from Ulta. Day 3. They have really pretty boxes. Ulta Beauty Brow Gel. I love a good brow gel. If it works really good. So we got Ulta Beauty Brow Gel. And then we have the 12 Days of Socks, which I've been super impressed with. This one is a nutcracker, and it says, "Let's get crackin'." So super cute socks. They're very thick. I'm just surprised by the quality. Then we have the 12 Days of Beauty from Target. And inside, we have some Ollie Beauty from the inside out. Grapefruit Glam. Undeniable Beauty, Healthy Hair, Skin, and Nails. Biotin, Keratin, Vitamin C's and E. 2 gummies. It's a dietary supplement. 15 calories in 2 gummies. 2 grams of sugar. So, Ollie, vitamins, and then the last one is the DEK Designs. And I might have gone on DEK Designs shared the other day their unboxing of this, and I might have seen some of that. So, I can tell you this much. Everything that's in it is freaking awesome. So today we got this. I love the white washi. Then we got a flowered washi with silver bows. And then we got some silver washi with bows. So that is the Advent Calendars. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And we'll be back tomorrow with more Advent Calendars. Make sure you come back and see what we get tomorrow. Everyone have a wonderful day.